Bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave your arms up. Listen out for the instructions, especially for the lunges. Shallow or deep back bend. Stand up or lengthen yourself back up. I suddenly lost my words. Candle arms. Sink down. Forward fold. For a full sun salutation A. Inhale, lift up halfway. Forward fold. Step or hop back. Plank. If you're hopping, allow your body to bounce, yeah, and then reset. Full plank. All the way down. No chaturanga yet. Chaturanga later. Coming back to your flat plank. Hands off the mat. Squeeze the back. Low cobra. Press the hands down. Higher cobra or upward facing dog for those who want this. Transition up to your plank. Bend the knees. Push back. Puppy pose or downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Breathing. Now from here, your right leg curls up, thigh to belly. Point the knee back, up, keep it bent first. Feel the height in your knee, the length in your psoas and your quads, and then extend. Your left heel now lifts up, not on your tiptoes, just on the flats of your toes. But keep your lifted leg high. Left heel down. Three-legged dog pumps. Up. Down. One more. Lift up. Down. Last one. The fourth one. Lift up. Wave yourself forward. Three-legged plank. And curl your leg through. Now, I've been saying this in my class. If that foot falls short, like what I'm showing you right now, practice self-kindness and help that foot forward until your right hand and your right foot are exactly how they are in your forward fold. So this is a practice for your mind and your emotions. Yeah, focus, concentrate, and be patient and be aware. Right hand, right foot, exactly how they were in your forward fold. So come into a lunge. Check your balance here. If balance is wonky, bring that back heel down and you are in a warrior stance instead. Yeah? Right hand, right knee. Push yourself up. Make sure your knee is not in front of your ankle, just in line or paired back from your front ankle. Again, check in with your balance here. If lunge isn't for you today, bring your heel down and you are in a warrior stance instead. And you're welcome to keep transitioning and changing up between those two poses. Lunge demands a lot more concentration and balance. From here, backs of the hands together, wave your arms up. Crescent lunge or warrior one. From here, bend your elbows and frame your head, hands on your elbows. Squeeze or engage your back muscles to align your upper arms rather, maybe by your cheekbones, by your ears, or maybe behind. Don't push your arms towards the back though. Use your back muscles to do that. From a framed head, release your hands from your elbows, squeeze the back, as we did for our transition for mountain pose earlier. You're just floating your arms down and beside the body. Not close, just allow this natural V angle. From here, squeeze your back, arms a little bit further back. The shoulder joints are in external rotation at the moment. Now let's do an internal rotation. Cue your thumbs and turn your hands until your hands are rotated. Your shoulders are now in an internal rotation. External rotation, internal rotation. Bring your awareness to the activation of your upper chest muscles and joints. Your upper ribs. External rotation. From here, Soften the upper body and reach down. If your back leg is still in a lunge, bring your heel down now. So everyone, we're all back into warrior legs. We are in a humble warrior. Keep your legs, as we discussed earlier, keep your legs where they are. You are just turning the body. So you're turning the body towards the left side now. But the body is still mostly towards the right side, yeah? We're not mirroring. That discombobulates my head from here. But if you want to mirror me, that's all right. Hands down on the mat. Again, use your blocks under your hands if you need them. Yeah? So you're a little higher. Listen out. Your back foot, your left foot now turns. So your foot turns out and choose the angle that is right for your knee and your hip. But you're turning your foot out. Your ankle is in plantar flexion, straight front of the ankle, foot down. From here, this is the lifted position. Dorsiflex your ankle and sink. Keep adjusting your hands wherever they need to be to catch your body weight. Push back up, foot down, we're higher. Exhale, sink down. Lift up, sink down. Just 3 of that. Lift yourself back up. Use your strong arms. Walk your hands to the center. Adjust your stance here. Crawl your feet. So the legs, the feet are now in a goddess pose. Your hands in line with your feet. Shoulder width, but as per our usual, our shoulder width is actually a little wider than the shoulders. Yeah, not directly in line with the shoulders, a little wider. From here, your right knee bends and we're doing a side lunge to the right. Push back up to center, to the other side. Side lunge left. Center, side lunge right. I'm showing you a shallower bend of the knees. Center, side lunge left. Center, I'll show you a deeper one. Side lunge right. Adjust your hands to accommodate your body. Center, side lunge left. And center. From here, turn to your left foot. Move your blocks away so you have space. Turn to your left foot. Start with a humble warrior first. And then determine or replicate what you did previously. Maybe you're back in a lunge or you're sticking to a warrior stance. Left hand, left knee. Push yourself up. Backs of the hands together and wave up. Crescent lunge or warrior one. Frame the head. Engage the back muscles and have that strong chest opening, strong back contraction, articulation in your shoulder girdle. Release the hands from your elbows, circle them down. Not a lot of this rotation of the shoulders. Internal rotation, turning the hands, turning the whole length of your arms really. External rotation, squeezing the back. Internal rotation. See if you can reach a little bit further back. External rotation, soften the body and reach down. Back heel down this time. Keep the legs where they are. That left knee still pointing forward in your warrior stance. And you are just turning the body. I'll show you without my blocks this time. So we are in a different kind of side lunge. From here, again, this is our high setting. And dip down. Dorsiflex your right ankle, bend your left knee and come nice and low. Your arms are holding you here, yeah? Push yourself back up. Adjust your hands wherever they need to be to accommodate the shift in body weight. Sink down, lift up, foot down, sink down, dorsiflexion of your ankle, dipping low, lift up, plantar flexion of your ankle, bend your right knee and crawl your hands and feet back into our humble goddess stance. Starting with the left knee, side lunge left. A small click is enough, or mid-height, or nice and low. Push back up, center, to the right side. We're trying to lengthen out the adductor muscles here, the muscles on the inside of the legs. Lift up, left side. Lift, right side. From here, lift back up to center, turn back to the right side or the top of your mat. Back heel up and spring back. Plank. Now, all the way down or halfway for those who want chaturanga. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back up to plank. Bend the knees, push back, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Deep, full breath. Spinal waves. Heels up, knees and elbows bent, stepping up. Top of your mat. Forward fold. Lift up halfway. Forward fold. Bend the knees, backs of the hands in, and lift yourself up. Use your legs to lift yourself up. Upward facing hands. Shallow or deep back bend. Up. Candle arms. Sink down. Forward fold. Half lift. As we did, remember your choices. Forward fold. Step or hop back. Plank. Remember to lift your head here. All the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back to plank. Puppy pose. Downward facing dog. Left leg curls up, thigh to belly. Point the knee up. Extend. Three-legged dog heel pumps. Right heel lifts up. Lengthen out that left leg. Right heel down. Lift up. Down. Lifting up. Down. Last one. Lift up to transition forward to your three-legged plank and curl your leg through. Again, if your foot falls short like mine did, help your foot there. Push back or determine whether you want warrior legs, warrior legs or lunge. Left hand, left knee. Push up, backs of the hands together, crescent lunge or warrior one. The only difference is that heel. Crown your head or frame your head. Engage your back. Release the arms. No more rotation of the shoulders here, but I do want you to get that optimal engagement of your back to bring your arms as far back and together as they can. Release down on the mat. Back heel down. Turn the body to your right side. From here, we're not doing those dips anymore. Just come into your goddess stance. And I'll turn myself back to you because it's weird. Hands down on the mat. Goddess stance. You are on the right side of your mat though, yeah? From here, right knee bends. We're swapping over with these goddess side lunges. Center, left. Center, right, up, left, and a few more without my cue. Just move, but don't rush. It's very common that the psyche, the mind, the emotions, and the body will want to rush the body rather. Try not to give in to that. Center, right, center, left, and let's stay on the left. And I'll just reset myself so we're all the same. Turn back to your right foot. Sorry, I said left because I was on the left, but it's your right foot that is forward in this humble warrior or low lunge. Yeah, we're all together now. Right hand, right knee. Push yourself back up. Backs of the hands together. Crescent lunge or warrior one. Yeah, up to you, depending on your balance. Frame the head. Engage the back. Release the arms. Breathing here. Release back down on the mat. And come back to your humble goddess. And I'll just reset myself back to face the camera. Humble goddess. Close your eyes if you're feeling stable in your stance. Because we do have 4 points of foundations here. You're invited to close your eyes, yeah? Choose a side, doesn't matter which one, and just do your side lunges. Your humble goddess side lunges. See if you can widen your stance a little bit more, or see if you can come a little bit lower. Remember that you have your blocks there with you. If you find that this is a little too low or you just need that bit more height, that's all good as well. From here, and I will reset, you keep doing what you're doing. Once you're back on your left knee, I'm with you now. Turn back to the top of the mat, right heel points up, look forward and spring back. Plank. All the way down or halfway. Cobra or upward facing dog. Back through plank. Puppy pose. Downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Breathing here. From here, heels up. Knees and elbows bend. Step or hop up. I'm stepping up to show you that you can just step up if you want. Forward fold, depth of your choice. Half lift, height of your choice. Forward fold, releasing back to forward fold. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Lift up. Upward facing hands. Close the eyes here. Activate your back. Soften your arms. Circling your arms out to the sides. Down. Mountain pose.